I'm about to show y'all how to install a dash cover. Not a dash pad, a dash cover over the stock cracked dash in the 02 Camaro. Alright. Is this good right here?
Yeah, dude, I'm videoing.
Hi guys, my name is Mike Clinton. I'm gonna show y'all how to change out the dash cover. Actually, excuse me. I attached the dash cover to the dash pad of this 02 Camaro. Show them it's in pretty good condition. Just a few cracks, not a whole lot. But I figured it's about time I at least just cover it up just to keep this dash good because it's still got some life in it. Boy. First step, you want to clean your dash with some degreaser. But second step, if equipped, you want to remove your T-tops. If you're cool enough to have them. No, I'm just playing. If you ain't got them, fuck it. It may be a little bit harder, but hey. Oh, damn. Can somebody pop the trunk so I can stick this bitch in my trunk? Anyway.
Because I know where the truck went.
Let's plan this shit out, guys. Hey, somebody come shine a light back here. I can't see. Oh, man.
What a video.
A good video so far. You know, I learned the other day that you can lock these bitches in. Like right there.
Yeah.
When you put them in there. Anyway. Alright, so we got that in there. Alright, you stop me. And what you want to do is you want to take the cover and you want to stick it in. You want to stick it in there and make sure, you know, it fits right. You want to make sure before you put the adhesive on it, you want to get the plan together how you're going to stick it in there without, you know, messing up any adhesive, you know, getting on anything else and getting in there smoothly. So, stop it.
Hey Alexa, how many bitches can we fit in the Tesla? Told your bitch nope, like I'm fucking Chuck Testa. Thought I got finesse, so I'm naming her Vanessa.
We're gonna run this silicone. It's a tight seal from the makers of Gunk, by the way. Good stuff. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna run it a little bit off the edges. I'd say, I don't know, about a fingernail off the edges. I don't know, maybe half an inch, maybe an inch. Just depends on what you want to do. From the edge, run all the way around the edge, and then right here, so it'll seat. I'm gonna run it around that too, this little vent, and I may put a few like right in the center, just to help it stick in the center. But mostly you want to get them edges and right around that so that'll seat down. Because you got the vent right there too. You want to kind of, I guess, make it look OEM, almost like factory. So, yeah, we're gonna do that real quick. What you do is you want to take this tip. You just want to just stick it in there, and there you go. Gotta make sure you turn it just right. If you turn it too tight, you over torque it, break the lug nut off.
You gotta cut the tip.
Gotta cut the tip with some snips.
You got it all, son.
Bro, I'm telling you, Harbor Freight. This ain't a sponsorship or nothing. This ain't an ad, but that's some good shit.
Snip, snip.
Take it, suckers. Send it flying. All right, fellas. Hope we do this right, because if we fuck up, I'm just buying a new dash pad. You can quit video.
I gotta bring it anytime and however you want it. Late at night and I can't sleep, I'm staying up, I'm tossing, turning. That's them bodies from my temple creeping on me. That's from me cutting them off and being home all by my lonely. Bricks and bells, I prefer that chopper. It's gonna kiss you and won't never tell. I can cook that dope just like a worker, you can XVL. Look.
Alright, I'm gonna pass it to you. Hey, hold this other hand up. Just hold it from the bottom. Don't grab the silicone, so right there. Alright.
Hey, are we gonna try to
Are
get
you
a
videoing, Jake? I mean, Steve?
Yeah.
Alright. We're just gonna show you how we got it in there. We did it on that practice one run. We're gonna do it the same way with the silicone. Watch your hands. You're gonna watch what you're putting on. Hold on, Jake. You got your window down? Alright. Best way to do it is get the passenger sides in first. You gotta bend it right in the middle. Bend it. Just try not to touch any of the silicone. Try to push towards the edge a little bit. Push the edges down. Make sure it's all there. So this is definitely a two-man job. Jay's gonna hold it there for me. I'm about to go. Got a little silicone on my hand, not a lot. Just barely touched it. Video the dash real quick, so what it's gonna look like with it. Slight different color. It's black, but it looks better than the cracked dash. Couldn't find the exact color on this one. It's either black or I can't really. I think it just comes with black. Most of the time that's the only way I found it. But I'm gonna go grab some books, and that's what we're gonna sit on it to hold it down. Make sure that the adhesive sticks. And it's got constant pressure on it. So. All right. Well, this is what it looks like. Set a bunch of books on it. Just kind of lodge that in there, that roll, and set a bunch of books on it. And we're gonna let it sit overnight, and I guess I'll update y'all on the rest of the video. But I mean, it already looks way better. It ain't cracked no more, so that's positive. And but it makes weird noises every now and then. It makes weird noises every now and then. I guess it's just, the bottom dash still breaking a little bit, but other than that, it wasn't too bad. But definitely two-man job. You gotta have a dude video and too. Props to Steve-O. That sexy beard. Just want to show y'all up there. Just took off everything. Looks pretty good. Pretty excited. Still got the light too. There you go. Yeah, but the light still comes on. Looks kind of factory, honestly, the way they did the vents. You can buy other kinds that really ain't got the vents like that, but only issue, they have gray ones. I thought my interior was black, honestly. So I got the black one, but it don't look bad. Looks a whole lot better than the cracked one, so. But yeah, that's. You can see it looks good. Yeah, I'm pretty excited. So, I hope y'all liked the video, and hopefully it helps y'all out.